Hello, my name is Your Pendulum. In this video, we're going to be making a pendulum. The thing that we're going to need are art pencil and some paint, bottles, scissors, a hole puncher, and some yarn. So the first thing is you're going to take this and put it right here and a big piece of paper to put your art in. So you're going to grab one of the bottles and you're going to cut, here for them to be an open. And with the bottles, I also put little holes with a hole puncher for us to hang. Then we're gonna grab our yarn, and then you're gonna tie it like this with the string and hang it up here. Now, the second thing you're gonna do is grab your pen and we're gonna put it inside here. And then we put the pen in the bottle and then let go. And this happens because there's motion. So the bottle is moving in the same direction but in different areas. That is making a pattern. But it's also changing, and it also stops because of friction. Because friction stops things. And you also can do different types of colors. And you can also try doing it in different directions to have a different pattern. You can also try with other colors that you want. And you also need to put some water in it for it to be easier to come out.
Voy a soltar.
Okay. All different types of patterns can look different. Now, bye.